All right, let's talk about green building. Green building is becoming more and more important. And the reason of that is we need to learn to be sustainable. It's not always about global warming and things like that, but it's also about being comfortable and getting value for money and energy. So this particular course deals with all the issues of thermal efficiency of a building. So it needs to be well insulated, it needs to be well sealed. It's important to have orientation right, to look at eaves and things like that. Or too often we see homes that are built and with an afterthought they're putting big air conditioners on top that use lots and lots of energy, and these are resources that are limited. So it's important to come into what we call the 21st century and learn about green building the proper way. This is a growing market. Over 50% of the Australian population is very keen to live in a sustainable building, an energy efficient building. And I think as builders, we are responsible to give people the product that they deserve. First of all, they're paying for it. Now, you might think that sometimes to get an energy efficient building is very difficult. The truth is it's not. It's all about the devil is in the detail. Do it correctly, do it right. There's not a lot of extra cost involved for it, and the results are absolutely enormous. There is so many benefits, not only for the community, but for the people that live in the house and for the builder as well. So now, if you plan to become what I call a green builder, you actually do a lot of good for the environment, but also for the homeowners and for the industry. Right now, the industry is sort of moving along at a steady pace. The whole green issue, when it's legislated and you need a star rating, okay, we try to follow suit, but there's so much more that we can do. And keep in mind, as a builder, you're creating real opportunities to grow a business in this area. Doing a green building course is a good starting point. It teaches you what tricks of the trade to make houses more energy efficient. It teaches you to look at designs, what is a passive solar design. It looks at using materials the right way, to insulate the right way, to seal the building the right way, to look at the right kind of glazing. And all these things work together to create a house that you as a builder can be proud of. And I can guarantee you, once you start building these types of homes, you will find that word of mouth, commercial, people will start to talk about how happy they are with their building, and the business will start to grow. So think about it, look at green building as a really viable option for your business.